Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Mastering Made Simple channel. Today going to discuss about function in C. A function declaration tells the compiler about function name, return type, number and type of parameters. It is written before the main function. It's like a modular programming. Why need to use the function repeatedly used any purpose of process or block of statement executed to specific purpose repeatedly in the project or module to create and call the method or call the function inside the program. That the purpose only created the function. There is a function declaration, how to make a structure of the function. The number and type of parameters it written before the main function. Syntax of the function declaration. Return type, function name, parameter list within function brackets. The parameters is a different type of parameters. Further video we will discuss on about different type of parameters, different data type of parameters, different position of the parameters, with return type, without return type. There are four kind of parameter passing is possible. We'll discuss on next video. Example, int add int comma int. This means function name add two integer arguments, return int comma int. Function definition. So function declaration different from the function definition. Function declaration to not define the process, only what is a function name, return type, parameters only declared. So definition means it's a block of statement. What will the process, what is going on to do the execution of the program. A function definition obtain that actual body of the function. logic, syntax, return type, function name, parameter list, return value with block of the statements. Open curly, close curly braces. Have some set of statement. That set of statement, what is going to do in the code. Example, int add int a comma int b, int sum equal to a plus b, return sum. This is add function definition. Example, why need to go to create a function? I am going to write a module. That module contains n number of times need to call the add function. So I am going to create a customized function. So function is nothing but your modular programming or subprogramming. The subprogram call anywhere. The parameters is same. That the situation I call the method and pass the value. That the case can able to add the two numbers. This example, but what is the function purpose? Repeatedly used in that scenario can create the function customized way where it is called that the situation I can able to call the method. That's why use the function. This is a function definition. Function call. A function call, it is used to execute the function. Function name and arguments. Argument can able to pass the parameter values. Let us assume that in the previously discussed about the int add function, that add function have two parameters. Type is int, so I can able to pass the two integer value. Let us assume that 5 comma 5, that means 5 comma 5 means add to value and return the value, sum and return the value. 10 is the output. Example, int result equal to add 5 comma 5. I already told int result is nothing but an integer variable equal to add is already declared defined the function 5 comma 5. What is the value to store in the result? Sum 5 plus 5 10. So what is the value of result? Result value is 10. Complete program example hash include stro.h int add int comma int is a function declaration for int main int result. It's a local variable declaration. Result equal to add 5 comma 5 where it is called the function inside the main function only. Cannot call the outside the main function is not possible in the C program. C program support only the function call inside the main function. Print sum equal to percentage of d comma ampersand result. Result contain a value of 10. Function definition int add int a comma int b is within a function bracket open curly braces return a plus b. Here it is defined the function that function called to inside the main function and print statement also the main function. Declaration tells the compiler about the function. Definition so contain the actual code. Call execute the function. Declaration is optional if defines comes before the main but good practice to include it. Very important question. Anna University point of view, it will come the split of question or 13 mark part B question. In this a computer programming C, maximum of the program will come. You have to write it the definition, syntax and example. You will get a complete mark. complete full mark. This another example code with indicate where it is located, the function definition and a function call. Here also integer type, return type, add two numbers, store the result, and the function definition also mentioned to add the two numbers, that two numbers value stored the another variable to and print the variable, the value will show in the screen. Function definition, return type, get area of square is a function name, parameter, single argument parameter, int side, local variable, declaration int area equal to side asterisk side into side multiplied, return area. To multiply side into side to store the value of area variable. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, click over the bell symbol for further video update.